It's Friday, March 1st, and Screamer really wants to get in. Oh, there, he's in. He's already in. That Screamer wants to get in the white car. Kathy just fed him, and now he worked his way around the door and opened it from standing on the roof and popped the door open, and now he's in to have a snooze. That's it. There's a cat burglar trying to break into the white. I think we've got him. He's going to give up. It's too darn hard. Cat Burglar's back. It's Wednesday, March 6th, 2013. I've been trying to see how this cat can get in. Must be checking the other side. Oh, there he is. Unbelievable. Cat's amazingly tenacious. Well, he's on the roof. Oh, the door's open. Holy smokes. He's working it. Unbelievable. Oh, the cat's in. And he closed the door.